Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the what are the rectangular components. In the graph or two dimensional Cartesian coordinate plane, there are axes which are usually x and y. These axes are known as rectangular component for vectors. Here we represent the vector A in rectangular. Vector A has a rectangular component. Here we take a vector A, we divide into two rectangular components, AX along the x-axis and Y component is along the y-axis. Here A vector represent vector A, AX represent the component of vector A along x-axis, AY represent the component of vector A along y-axis. Now we discuss the topic of vector addition by rectangular component. Vector addition by rectangular component. Vector addition by rectangular component, also known as analytic method of vector addition. Here we show the analytic method of vector addition. Here take the two vector A and B, add them by head to tail method. Then we draw the resultant that we get by start from the tail of the first vector and to the head of the last vector. All these vectors make an angle with the x-axis. Vector A make an angle theta A, vector B make an angle theta B, and resultant R that make an angle theta R with the x-axis. Here we have two vector A and B. We add them in the Cartesian system by head to tail method. The resultant R of these vector is R vector is equal to A vector plus B vector. All these vector make an angle with the x-axis as shown in figure. Now we resolve the vector A, B and R. In this figure, we resolve the vector A into rectangular component AX and AY, and also resolve the rectangular vector B into rectangular component BX and BY, and resultant R into rectangular component RX and RY. So here we write that in this figure, we resolve the vector A, B and R into their rectangular components. Vector A rectangular component AX and AY, vector B rectangular component BX and BY, and vector C rectangular component vector R rectangular component is RX and RY. Now we write the resultant of the X component as shown in figure. The sum of the magnitude of the vector A and the vector be on the S component is equal to the magnitude of the resultant vector R on the X component, which can shown in the equation, that is the Rx is equal to Ax plus Bx, as shown in figure. Now we add the y component along the y-axis. The sum of the magnitude of vector A and B on the y component is equal to the magnitude of the resultant R on the y component, which can be shown in the equation, that is the Ry is equal to Ay plus By. Now we resolve the resultant vector R on the X component, Rx, and Y component R Y. Now we resolve, now we write the resultant vector R on the X component and Y component Ry with their unit vector. Then the resultant vector R with its unit in the equation can be written as R is equal to Rx I unit vector plus Ry j unit vector. Now put the value of Rx and Ry in the resultant vector R. So we can write as R is equal to Ax Bx I unit vector and Ry is equal to Ay plus By j unit vector. Now this formula can be used to find the magnitude of the resultant R. So it can be written as Ax plus Bx का whole square plus Ay plus By का whole square.